Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a manual transmission. But more specifically, we're going to be looking at a manual transmission that is grinding in reverse. Let's get started. So what do I mean if it's grinding in reverse? So if I put my clutch in, start the vehicle, and if I try and go into reverse, even though my foot is on the clutch, ow, it sounds like an angle grinder. So there could be a number of reasons causing this. Number one, it could be that the vehicle has high mileage on the transmission, which is, in my case, this vehicle has 626,000 kilometers on the original transmission. It could also be due to clutch drag. Maybe the oil is too thin in the transmission and clutch drag is causing it to spin. Therefore, when you go into reverse gear, it's grinding. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, but how come it doesn't grind in any other gears? Well, the reason for that is basically, in most transmissions, all forward gears have, when I say forward gears, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes 6, all have synchromesh. And the reverse gear does not need synchromesh, mainly because you're normally at a stop when you put in reverse. However, if you're at a stop and your clutch is dragging in the transmission and it's causing the transmission to spin, you are not going to be able to put the transmission into reverse. So, you might be thinking to yourself, well, what are the solutions in order to prevent this from happening? Well, it's very simple. First, you can get in the habit that I used to have, is to always put the car into reverse and then go ahead and start your engine. And another new nifty trick that I found out is, in order to get your transmission to stop completely and to stop the clutch drag, you can put it in any one of the forward gears that has a synchromesh in it and then put it into reverse gear. Let me show you what I mean. See, reverse gear is still grind. Ouch. However, if you put in a second gear, that stops the transmission dead, and then you go into reverse. Look at that. So, if I leave it for a while, it's going to start grinding. Right, you heard that. Because there's no synchromesh. However, if I put in a second gear to bring it to a dead stop, using the synchromesh, and then put it in reverse, goes in. Let's try that again. You should be quick enough so that the transmission does not have time to get up to momentum. So basically, second, reverse. Otherwise, with no second or third gear, and reverse, go straight in. However, go straight into reverse. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.